Today, I'll show you how to download an offline route on Google Maps. Downloading offline maps is useful when you are traveling somewhere with weak signal, limited mobile data, or no internet connection. Once the map area is saved, you can still use Google Maps for basic navigation inside that downloaded area. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your Google account and connected to the internet. Now search for the city, area, or destination you want to download. For example, you can search for the town you are visiting or the area around your planned route. After the location appears, tap the name or address at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Choose Download Offline Map. Google Maps will show a box around the area that will be downloaded. Move or zoom the map to include the roads and places you need. If you want an offline route, make sure the full route area is inside the download box, including your starting point, destination, and main roads between them. When the selected area looks correct, tap Download. Wait for Google Maps to finish downloading the offline map. After it is saved, you can use Google Maps in that area even without internet. To find your downloaded maps later, tap your profile picture, then choose Offline Maps. From there, you can view, update, rename, or delete your saved maps. Keep in mind that offline navigation works best for driving routes. Walking, cycling, public transport, live traffic, and route changes may be limited without internet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an offline route area on Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.